Hi everyone, Jay here from jaysplainsfood.com with sausage gravy. Yes, this savory, creamy, classic southern gravy is good on just about anything, although traditionally it's served over biscuits. So the first thing we want to do is we want to scramble up some breakfast sausage in a pan over about medium heat, and I'm adding a blend of mild and hot sausage for this. What is breakfast sausage, you ask? Let me explain. Breakfast sausage is typically ground pork parts with a bunch of spices added, and the main flavor of breakfast sausage is sage, and that's what gives breakfast sausage its rather unique smell and flavor versus an Italian or like a Polish sausage or something. So, anyway, once we've scrambled up the meat, we want to add the butter and get it melted. Then we're going to add some flour and cooking it until you have a nice little fond on the bottom of the pan. What is a fond, you ask? Let me explain. A fond is anything stuck to the bottom of your pan. Those little brown bits of meat and flour are very important to the flavor and texture of the gravy here. So once you've got your nice fond built up, you want to pour in your milk, using a wire whisk to scrape up all those yummy bits off the bottom of the pan. Bring this up to a simmer, stirring it occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. You're going to serve this over hot biscuits, toast, waffles, fried chicken, country fried steak, mashed potatoes, or even a flip-flop. It's that good. This thick, creamy, savory, peppery, sagey, classic southern gravy is great any time of day. Give it a try today. I know you'll love it. If you like what you see here, please do give us a like and subscribe for all the latest and greatest videos. Then head on over to jaysplainsfood.com for the full recipe and ingredient amounts. And come back next week when I'll explain another one to you.